Hello, I'm Vivian. Today, I'm showing you how to make a single bubble. I'm going to make 6 single bubbles now. Prepare a long balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Leave 5 to 10 finger width uninflated at the tail end. Let's make a single bubble of a finger width. For convenience, we usually measure balloon's length by our fingers. Now we make the first single bubble. Then clamp here with my little finger and ring finger. So the subsequent bubbles won't be loosed. Remember, the direction in which the first single bubble is twisted, all subsequent bubbles must be twisted in that direction. Left hand pinches balloon. Right hand spins balloon. Beginner can make practice more to make same-sized single bubbles. Now, knot it. Make sure this knot is pulled out. Okay. We are done. Other single bubbles are all made in this way. Stay tuned and join me.